welcome. Today we're going to show you how to customize the macOS Tahoe 26 dock and menu bar. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the Apple menu on the top left. I'll see here. After that, you need to click on the system settings. So from the system settings, you need to click on the desktop and dock. I'll see from here. And now from here, there's a lot of options to change for the dock. So the first thing that you can do is to change the size for the dock. So you can make it very small, I'll see from here, or make it very large. Also, you can change the magnification, I'll see from here. So the magnification is how large the icons when you swap the mouse to the icons, I'll see from here. Also, you can change the dock position on the screen, I'll see from here, to left, right, down, or anywhere you want, I'll see from here. Also, you can change the minimized window animation from here. You can change the animation effect. You can make the dock to automatically hide, so when you don't touch it, it will hide automatically, and when you put the mouse near it, it will appear to you. Also, you can choose when to show the items from the desktop or in the stage manager. So you can change how it will show to you on the desktop or on the stage manager, as you from here. Also, if you scroll down a little bit to the widgets, you can show widgets on desktop, as you from here. You can make the widgets dim automatically on desktop, as you from here, or you can change that too. So if you love the iPhone widgets on your phone and you want it on your Mac Tahoe OS 26, you can also enable this option. The next thing that we can do is to go to the menu bar, as you from here. So on the menu bar, on the menu bar, as you from here, on the top right, you can also make it automatically hide as in the dock. Also, you can show menu bar on background, or you can disable this option. From here, you can manipulate which items will appear on the menu bar. As you from here, you can disable the clock, you can disable Siri, or you can enable it. There's a lot of options that you can actually enable it or disable it on the menu bar. After you do that, you can see the changes on the menu bar on the top right, as you from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.